Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a fan of air frying, baking, or even just cooking in general, then you're going to want to hear all about the disposable air fryer paper non-stick kitchen baking air fryer mat oil-proof microwave barbecue pad baking paper liner accessories. These paper liners are an absolute game changer for anyone who loves to use their air fryer. Not only do they keep your air fryer clean, but they also don't affect the taste of your food. Plus, they're super light and practical, making them a must-have accessory for any kitchen. But what really sets these paper liners apart is the fact that they're made from food-grade parchment paper. They're waterproof, oil-proof, and non-stick, ensuring that your food cooks perfectly every time. And the best part? They're 100% healthy and heat-resistant, able to withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. With this pack of disposable air fryer paper liners, you'll have a variety of options for your daily cooking, baking, and changing needs. And the best part? You can simply throw away the paper liner after use, meaning no more messy clean ups of your oil pan. These parchment paper air fryer liners are incredibly versatile too. Use them for baking, frying, steaming, or even serving your favorite dishes. They're perfect for camping, home baking, barbecues, summer parties, and so much more. So, if you want to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable, be sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on the disposable air fryer paper non-stick kitchen baking air fryer mat oil-proof microwave barbecue pad baking paper liner accessories today. You won't regret it. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen accessories and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!